Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And today is a good chance that I come to our warehouse, so I put the different kind of devices here to have a good comparison with you, to let you understand the difference between our devices. All right. So you can see that infrared is our all-in-one H-span series product, and they are very small. We made it based on the aluminum materials, and it has the features like all-in-one design, natural heat dissipation, IP65 features, and even with this kind of box, we can customize it for you. And this big cabinet series, we call the Edge Equation Lite series. It is our modular cabinet, and it is based on slot design. So let's see some detail, right? This is the Edge span U200, which I introduced many times for you. It has 300 watts UPS, or 200 watts UPS band inside. It has monitor unit. Right now, this version has PoE switch with 8 ports inside, and it has battery inside. But we can also put different kind of network units inside. For example, if you need a LT router or 5G router, we can put as a network unit and change the system based on your request. This is the Edge span U60 LSP. That's based on switch module, and it only have 100 watts rated power. It has battery inside. It has monitor unit inside, which you can see is very small. So let's say this scenario is designed for some scenario. This device is designed for some scenario like a little big, like you have 6 cameras, 8 cameras, so you want to aggregate in one side. We can use this kind of design. And if you have something even smaller, for example, normally, as I understand, most of the video surveillance network or Wi-Fi network, they don't need a lot of ports, a very big capacity, because they only have 1, 2, 3 cameras, two Wi-Fi APs. You can use this kind of small box. You can see that because this is very small, so for the installation cost is lower, operation maintenance cost is lower. And when you're facing something bigger, for example, if you need a cabinet to put some switch or router or something inside, and which the small box cannot fit, you can use our Edge Equation Lite series. This series, actually, the capacity is exactly like this series. So why it's so small? Why this bigger? Because first, our understanding of the design is upgraded step by step, right? So we developed this kind of modular design at the beginning. Then later we upgrade to this kind of all-in-one module, all-in-one natural heat dissipation IP65 style. On the other hand, because still many customers, they ask us to provide some cabinet that put the switch and router, something big in. Big devices in. So we say yes, we have this solution. Okay, for even bigger one, you can see that this one is 1000 watts version, and we enlarge the power unit, but the other unit keep more or less same. So you can see the architecture is the same as this one, but the only thing is we enlarge it. So you can see the cabinet part we can customize based on your request. Well, you tell me that, hey Richard, well, what's your favorite devices? To be honest, the latest generation device is my favorite, because we learn the technology, learn the real scenario step by step. We are different from typical provider of manufacturers. We are manufacturers. We are a provider. We have our R&D team, but we also work as an integrator in many countries, like Panama, Dominicana, Colombia, this kind of Latin America countries. So we learn the knowledge from the real site, the real deployment. So we make a conclusion of our experience and upgrade our devices, and hope that our devices can help you solve the same pain point that you have. That's the background we develop this kind of devices. And you can see that we always emphasize that CapEx and OpEx is equally important. So to be honest, from the to be the OpEx point of view, I like them very much because they're small. They can put it anywhere. they can easily install by one person, and it's maintenance free. For cabinet, a little big, you can imagine that sometimes you need some crane to put it on the pole. Second, one engineer cannot finish the job. But the good part is our cabinet is more advanced compared with our competitors because they're really plug and play. You cannot find any cables in front for the cross connection because we make the cross connection in the SPP slot. Well, so for more detail, you can check this video. So because there's no cables, so when we send the cabinet to you, it's already pre-integrated. So you can just plug and play and install on the place. It's real quick. You save a lot of time on the installation, then you save a lot of cost for installation. Obviously, because there's a lot of cables on the site, you can give maintenance easily. Right? So that's the comparison of all the devices. Hope that will help you to understand our different solutions and our design philosophy. Thank you. See you next time.